The de Broglie wavelength of a particle of kinetic energy k is lambda. What would be the wavelength of the particle if its kinetic energy is k by 4? So could you guess what equation we are going to use here? It is the relationship between the wavelength and the kinetic energy, and the wavelength is equal to h divided by square root of 2mk, that is the kinetic energy, right? So here the wavelength 1, what it is saying, what is the kinetic energy here, students? Just see here, the kinetic energy is k. So it would be square root of 2mk. And the second one, that is the lambda 2, is equal to h upon, and it is the square root of 2mk by 4, right? Sorry, it should be k by 4. Now what can we do is, lambda 1 by lambda 2 is equal to square root of k2 by k1. Can we do it like this? Mass remaining the constant because the particle is the same. See here, this is one, these are the same particles. So your lambda 1 square upon lambda 2 square is equal to, what are the kinetic energies? That is the k by 4 divided by k, right? Or your lambda 1 square upon lambda 2 square will be equal to 4, or lambda 2 will be equal to how much? Lambda 1 by 4, right? So what will be the wavelength here? It would be lambda 1 by 4, right? Sorry students, here it would be, if we'll solve this, I am not solving it correctly. If we will solve this, here it will become lambda 1 by lambda 2, that will be 1 by 4 root, right? Or your lambda 2 will be equal to, what will be lambda 2 equal to? Lambda 2 will be equal to 2 lambda 1. That is, it would be 2 into lambda 1, right? So when the kinetic energy becomes k by 4, the wavelength gets doubled, because there is inverse relationship between the wavelength and the kinetic energy.